Anna, one idli vada.
Go home up the asshole. What have you guys been doing all day?
Lay some eggs.
What is this one?
This is the Juan.
This one.
It's not the other Juan. It's this one.
After 2 years, like restoring again.
Yeah, we arrived here. The bowl. Apparently, it's not allowed to skate.
Not allowed to skate.
Pune sad faces.
Pune side faces.
7 o'clock in the morning.
To sneak in.
Climbing the fence.
You got a ladder here? Oh, sick.
It wasn't here last time. Huh?
No, I think they hide the ladder and keep it for when they come.
Exactly.
Your board. Oh, it's a skate.
There you go. There was this girl with fake everything, you know, fake boobs, fake everything. She told about her good friend. She would ask, because she read somewhere that sperm is very good for the skin. So she would ask her neighbor to get like a jar of cum every day, every morning. She gets this cum and she applies it to her skin.
See, it's a little cat sticking its head out from behind a rock, upside down. That's what this is, obviously.
Curly hair, you see it like this?
Yeah, this is a curly head cat, like. Yeah. Actually, it's looked at like this. This is the cat. You see it behind the rock, backward.
And I am a hunter.
He has to aim for the.
A sharpshooter.
He has to aim for the little butthole. No, I'm sorry, the hole in the rock.
Mega Ultra Supreme Hard. How hard are you?
So we just traveled like 20 kilometers. So you better do something. We came all this way.
Oh God. There's a genie in your butthole, baby. Come, rub it fast.